You are going to love the 2026 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.